Welcome back to Roam with Dory, your go-to channel for travel guides and virtual walks. Here, we journey across the globe, unveiling the charm of different places, one step at a time. And today, we've got something special for those of you with an adventurous spirit and a keen eye for budget-friendly explorations. We're heading east, all the way to the vibrant city of Tokyo, uncovering the best it has to offer over a span of 5 days. So, gear up as we dive into our Tokyo on a budget itinerary. Our first stop is the pulsating heart of Tokyo, the Shibuya neighborhood. This bustling hub, brimming with energy and life, is a must-visit. Kickstart your Tokyo journey with a visit to Shibuya Sky, the observation deck on top of Shibuya Scramble Square. As of 2024, the entrance fee is $15 per person. It's a must-see. It offers a bird's-eye view of Tokyo's sprawling cityscape. Imagine being surrounded by a panoramic view of Tokyo, beneath your feet, a transparent floor adding a thrill to the experience. It's a sight to behold. From there, immerse yourself into the world-famous Shibuya Crossing. This iconic intersection, often referred to as the Scramble, is a spectacle in itself. Picture this: the traffic lights turn red all at once, and a sea of people from all directions cross at the same time. It's an orchestrated chaos that encapsulates the hustle and bustle of city life in Tokyo. A good spot to observe this crossing is the Starbucks in Tatsuya building nearby. While in Shibuya, take the time to wander around and explore the neighborhood. It's a fashion and entertainment hotspot, with a multitude of shops, boutiques, and eateries to discover. Whether you're a foodie, a shopaholic, or just a casual traveler, there's something for everyone. And remember, you're on a moderate budget, so look out for those hidden gems that offer great value for your money. As the day draws to a close, find a cozy spot to relax and reflect on the day's adventures. The twinkling city lights and the vibrant nightlife are a perfect backdrop to end your day. You might even spot the famous Hachiko statue, a symbol of loyalty and a popular meeting point for locals and tourists alike. That wraps up our first day in Tokyo, packed with iconic sights and experiences. Shibuya has given us a taste of Tokyo's dynamic city life, setting the pace for the rest of our journey. So, soak it all in and recharge, because there's much more to come in the following days. Day 2 takes us to Asakusa, home to the historic Sensoji Temple. This region is a fascinating blend of the old and the new, where Tokyo's storied past meets its vibrant present. Asakusa is known for its bustling streets, traditional architecture, and a wide array of shops selling everything from vintage kimonos to artisanal crafts. Let's start our day by exploring the famous Nakami's shopping street. This is no ordinary shopping street, but a path steeped in history, leading you up to the Grand Sensoji Temple. As you walk down this bustling arcade, you'll find yourself surrounded by a plethora of stalls selling traditional Japanese souvenirs, mouth-watering street food, and a variety of unique trinkets. As we reach the end of Nakami's street, the majestic Sensoji Temple comes into view. Sensoji, Tokyo's oldest temple, is a sight to behold. This ancient Buddhist temple is a testament to Tokyo's rich history and culture. Pay your respects, soak in the peaceful atmosphere, and don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the temple's intricate architecture. Post the temple visit, it's time to satiate our appetites. Asakusa is renowned for its culinary delights, and we're about to dive into a budget-friendly omakase experience. Omakase, which translates to "I'll leave it up to you," is a type of meal where the chef decides what to serve. It's a fantastic way to sample a variety of sushi, made using the freshest local ingredients. And this, my friends, is how you make the most of a day in Asakusa on a moderate budget. From the vibrant stalls of Nakamisa shopping street, to the tranquil beauty of Sensoji Temple and the gastronomic adventure of an omakase meal, Asakusa offers a slice of Tokyo that's rich in culture and tradition, yet easy on the pocket. And that's day 2, filled with culture, tradition, and delicious food. Stay tuned for day 3, where we'll take a deep dive into Tokyo's diverse street food scene. Don't go anywhere, our budget-friendly Tokyo adventure is just getting started. Today, we're hitting the streets to explore Tokyo's diverse street food scene. Now, Tokyo is a city where culinary delights lurk around every corner, and nowhere is this more apparent than in the bustling back streets and alleyways of its vibrant neighborhoods. Our gastronomic journey today takes us to the lively Takeshita Street in Harajuku, a place teeming with a variety of unique and affordable snacks. This is street food at its finest, folks. Here, amidst the colorful chaos, you'll find vendors serving up some of the most delightful bites this side of Tokyo. First up, we sink our teeth into Harajuku's quirky crepes. These are not your typical French crepes, oh no. They're an explosion of flavors and textures, filled to the brim with fresh fruits, cream, and even slices of cake. It's a handheld feast that's as visually appealing as it is delicious. Next, we venture into the world of takoyaki. These golden orbs of goodness are a street food staple in Japan. Crisp on the outside, gooey on the inside, and filled with chunks of tender octopus, these bite-sized balls are a taste sensation not to be missed. But Harajuku is not just about the food. This trendy neighborhood is also a fashion mecca, known for its unique boutiques and vintage stores. So, while you're munching your way through the streets, take some time to explore the local shops. You'll find everything from funky accessories to one-of-a-kind clothing pieces, all without breaking your budget. As the sun sets and the neon lights flicker to life, Harajuku transforms into an even more vibrant spectacle, with the aromas of street food wafting through the air, inviting you to take just one more bite. And so, with our bellies full and our hearts content, we wrap up our third day in Tokyo. From quirky crepes to tantalizing takoyaki, it's been a day filled with culinary delights. That's day 3, a foodie's paradise right here in Tokyo. Anime and tech lovers, this day is for you. Welcome to Akihabara. Also known as Electric Town, Akihabara is a paradise for all things manga, anime, and electronics. Just stepping into this neighborhood is like walking into a different world, one where the vibrant energy of Tokyo meets the unique charm of pop culture. Now, let's start the day with a visit to some of the countless themed cafes that Akihabara has to offer. From maid cafes, where staff members dress in maid costumes and treat customers as masters and mistresses, to Gundam cafes dedicated to the iconic Mecha anime series, there's truly something for everyone. These cafes offer more than just food and drinks. They offer an experience, a chance to step into your favorite anime or manga for a few hours. But Akihabara is not just about themed cafes. This district is also a tech lover's haven. With a plethora of electronic stores selling everything from the latest gadgets to vintage video games, there's no shortage of discoveries waiting to be made. And the best part, many of these electronics come at budget-friendly prices, making it the perfect place to shop for tech-savvy travelers on a budget. Of course, we can't talk about Akihabara without mentioning the anime culture, like Pokémon, that it's famous for. Everywhere you look, you'll see anime posters, figurines, and even life-size statues. There are countless stores specializing in anime merchandise, making it the perfect place to find unique and affordable souvenirs. Whether you're a casual fan or a hardcore otaku, immersing yourself in this anime culture is a must-do when in Akihabara. So take your time, explore the winding streets, and let yourself be swept up in the electric energy of Akihabara. With its unique themed cafes, budget-friendly electronic stores, and vibrant anime culture, this district offers an experience like no other. Day 4 wraps up with a deep dive into Tokyo's tech and anime culture. As we wave goodbye to Akihabara, we're taking with us not just souvenirs, but also memories of a day spent immersed in a world where technology and pop culture collide. On your final day, take it easy and explore any remaining areas you haven't covered. Now that we've journeyed through the bustling streets of Shibuya, experienced the historic charm of Asakusa, indulged in the delightful street food of Harajuku, and immersed ourselves in the electrifying world of Akihabara, it's time to slow down and appreciate Tokyo's quieter corners. Consider starting your day at one of Tokyo's serene parks. Ueno Park, for instance, not only boasts beautiful landscapes, but also houses several museums and a zoo. Or perhaps you'd prefer Yoyogi Park, a favorite among locals for its sprawling lawns and tranquil ponds. Next, why not take a leisurely stroll along the Sumida River? The riverside offers an array of picturesque spots perfect for a picnic or a quiet moment of reflection. If you're lucky, you might even catch a traditional water bus, gliding gracefully along the river, offering a different perspective of the city. And let's not forget about simply enjoying the lively atmosphere of Tokyo. Whether it's wandering through the back streets of residential neighborhoods, sampling local delicacies at a cozy izakaya, or observing the city's mesmerizing nightlights, there's always something to discover. Remember, travel isn't just about ticking off landmarks from a list, it's about immersing yourself in a new place, soaking in the culture, and creating memories. So, don't rush. Take your time to connect with Tokyo in your own unique way. But if you still have a thirst for more, Tokyo is home to countless hidden gems waiting to be unearthed. From quirky themed cafes to vintage shopping districts, from tranquil temples tucked away in busy streets to traditional tea houses, the city is brimming with surprises at every turn. Whatever your interests, Tokyo is sure to leave an indelible mark on your travel memories. So go ahead, let your curiosity guide you, and make the most of your final day in this vibrant city. And that's the end of day 5, and our Tokyo adventure. And there you have it, our 5-day Tokyo adventure on a moderate budget. As we wrap up this journey, let's take a moment to look back at the incredible experiences we've packed into just 5 days. Without needing to break the bank, we've managed to explore the vibrant and diverse city of Tokyo, proving that a memorable trip doesn't necessarily require a hefty budget. We started our adventure in the heart of Tokyo, the bustling Shibuya neighborhood. We scaled the heights of Shibuya Sky, marveled at the city's panoramic views, and dared to walk on transparent floors. We then immersed ourselves in the world-famous Shibuya Crossing, where we became part of Tokyo's pulsating energy. Day 2 transported us to historic Asakusa. Here, we visited the venerable Sensoji temple and strolled through the colorful Nakami's shopping street. We savored a budget-friendly omakase experience at a local sushi spot, a culinary delight that no food enthusiast should miss. On day 3, we embarked on a gastronomic adventure, sampling Tokyo's diverse street food scene. From quirky crepes to delicious takoyaki, we indulged in unique and affordable snacks on Takeshita Street in Harajuku. We also took the opportunity to explore trendy shops, finding hidden gems without stretching our wallets. Day 4 brought us to Akihabara, a paradise for anime and tech enthusiasts alike. We immersed ourselves in the spirited anime culture, visited numerous themed cafes, and discovered budget-friendly electronics. We found an array of affordable souvenirs to take back home, ensuring our Tokyo memories will last a lifetime. On our final day, we took a more relaxed approach, exploring the city at our own pace. We enjoyed the tranquility of local parks, strolled along the Sumida River, and simply soaked in the lively atmosphere of Tokyo. This day reminded us that the joy of travel often lies in the simple, unhurried moments. So, from the heights of Shibuya Sky to the cultural richness of Sensoji Temple, the mouth-watering street food of Harajuku, and the electric energy of Akihabara, Tokyo truly offers a diverse range of experiences for every kind of traveler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more budget-friendly travel tips. Let me know which place you are definitely going to visit. Until next time, happy travels!